Hello, it's lovely to meet you. I was wondering if you would like to do some phonics with me today. I love phonics. Phonics is my favourite thing. So I'm going to introduce you to the first 12 sounds in our phonics course. Listen closely. I might say things a little differently to how you know. First, we have A. A for ant. Ant. Next we have K. K for cat. K. K. Cat. K. This one sounds very similar. K. King. K. Same sounds, different letters. K for king. For pen. P. O. O. O for orange. O. For moon. I. I. I for igloo. Next is S. S for sun. S. Sun. S. N. N. N for net. N. D. Listen closely. D. D for dog. D. T. T. T for tap. T. T. G. G. G for grapes. G. How quickly did that go? Practice those really hard and then we'll move on to the next ones. Maybe you could tell me your names. Make a comment. Tell me. We can work on your name. All the sounds that make up who you are and how you spell your name. That'd be great fun. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.